Hello everyone and welcome to our bookbinding series. My name is Lily and I'm an information assistant at the Bathurst Clark Resource Library. Today I'll be showing you how to make a star book and a cascading book that looks like this. These two books are made from the same base, so I'm going to show you how to make that, and I'm also going to show you how to glue them together. These are the examples I made to show you, but when you're doing it yourself, feel free to personalize it and write a story in it or draw your pictures in it as well. So let's get started. This book requires very little material, therefore it's very good for you to do with the little ones. Here are the materials needed to make the base. We're going to start with the star book. You will need 4 pieces of paper. I already pre-cut them, but if you have a rectangular shaped paper, you will need to cut them into squares. So you need a scissor. And you also need a glue stick. Once you made the paper into a square, we're going to fold some guiding lines. First, you want to fold it diagonally like this. Then the other way. Then open it up. Do it again this way. Open it up, and the other way. So we will end up with 1, 2, 3, 4 guiding lines. And then we want to push the sides so that these 2 bits pop out. It should be relatively easy to do since we've already pre-folded them. And then you end up with a smaller square. Looks like this. That's 1. You do the same on all 4 pieces of papers. And the last one. Okay, so we have our 4 bases. Then take a glue stick. We're going to glue them one on top of each other. Make sure that the opening are facing the same way. We'll just stack them all together. Okay, now if you open your book up, it'll look like this. And if you look from the top, it'll look like a star. So you can write things in here or do some drawings or color in it. And it'll close like this. So this is the star book. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to do the cascading book. For the cascading book, we have the same bases. These are already pre-made. You will need an odd number of bases. The only difference is that you will be gluing them alternatively in terms of the opening. So we have one base here. So the second base will go with the opening towards the other side instead of facing the same way. So the first one is facing towards you. The second one is on top of it, facing the opposite direction. And then the third one will go on facing you again. Basically, you want to glue them one towards you, one towards the opposite side. Facing this way. This one will go facing this way. Okay, so now if you open it up, it'll cascade down like that, and looks like this on the other side. So you can also experiment with different numbers of bases, but it looks the best when it's the odd number of bases. So you can try 5 or 7, things like that. Alright, so now we have it. The star book and the cascading book. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the video by commenting down below. We'd love to see you try making this at home. If you do, please share with us using hashtag #VPL@home or send us a direct message. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more bookbinding videos. See you next time.